everyone, welcome back to the Tune Project. Today I'll be teaching you how to play the tune Red-Haired Boy on the violin, so stay tuned. As always, if you end up enjoying this video and finding it to be helpful, go ahead and give it a thumbs up below, and if you're not yet subscribed to the Tune Project, I post videos just like this one every single week, so consider hitting that red subscribe button below as well as the notification bell so that you can be notified each time I post a new video. As a reminder, timestamps will be listed in the description box below if you'd like to jump around. I'd recommend staying to the end of each section so that you can play along with me, and if you'd like to adjust the speed of the video, if you'd like it to be a little slower or faster, feel free to do that in your video settings. Also, this tune is featured in my digital sheet music library if you'd like to take a look at the sheet music either while you're learning or after you've learned the tune by ear. Alright, so let's go ahead and get into this A section. We're in the key of A major for this one, and we're going to be starting on open A. Alright, so we ended on our third finger D for that first phrase, and we're going to be coming back a half step to C sharp to start this second phrase. And then ending on our third finger G on the D string there. Now this third phrase is exactly the same as the first phrase, so if you want to double check that you had the notes right, this is a good opportunity for that. Now in this last phrase of the A section, we go up to the E string, and we actually go up to our B, which will require use of the fourth finger. So be prepared for that. It's going to be a whole step above our third finger A. Alright, so that was the whole A section. The form of this tune is A-A-B-B. So now let's go back and play the whole A section together at a slow tempo. And we have our two pickup notes here in the beginning, so we'll be starting on beat 4. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Alright, great job with learning that A section. Now let's get into the B section, where we'll start on an open E. Alright, so many of the notes within that phrase were a descending scale pattern, which means we didn't have any skips in between. Many of those notes were coming down a scale in order, so if that is helpful to you, be sure to use that. And you'll notice that even though we are in the key of A for this one, we did have a couple of G naturals in that phrase, so be sure to play those as a low second finger on the E string. Alright, and for this next phrase, we have a scale pattern as well, so see if you can pick that out by ear. Alright, so again, we had a little bit of going back and forth up and down a scale, but many of those notes were coming down in a descending scale pattern. And now we have the same ending as we did for the A section. So at this point, the notes that are coming up should be familiar to you. Okay, so hopefully you recognize that from the A section, and then here is our same ending. Alright, so now that you've learned all of Red Haired Boy, let's go ahead and play this B section together at a slow tempo, just like we did for the A section. And again, we have pickup notes here, so we'll be starting on the 4th beat. 1, 2, 3. Well, congratulations for learning all of Red Haired Boy. I really hope you enjoyed learning that one with me today. And again, if you're interested in taking a look at the sheet music, head on down to the description box of this video where you can find a link to my digital sheet music library where you can find this tune as well as sheet music for many others. Thanks so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Happy practicing! If you've made it this far, you must have enjoyed the video, so why not check out this one next? Also, if you'd like exclusive content from the Tune Project and a more personalized experience, head over to Patreon and join our wonderful little Fiddle community. Your support helps me to continue to grow as a creator and ensures that I'm able to continue to provide free educational content here on YouTube. Thank you!